Good day guys, Jeremy Fragrance here. Quick video, I'm going to tell you how to spray a fragrance, how to apply a fragrance properly. So what we got here is some Bleu de Chanel, my favorite, recommend it in every video. Even though the performance is bad, I'll still recommend it despite telling everyone I'm not going to recommend fragrances that don't last long anymore. But here you go, one of the worst performing fragrances, and I'll recommend it to you so you can waste your money. Now, how do you actually apply a fragrance? Most people will say 5 sprays, each side of the neck, front, back of the head, you know, like your typical scent spots. Not for me, that's not how you do it. How you should actually apply a fragrance is 1 spray in the mouth, you know, to get rid of bad breath when you're around the ladies. Can't have bad breath around the ladies. Number 2, both armpits. Make sure you spray under both armpits because there's nothing worse than smelling like BO, okay? The next place to spray, of course, is down your pants in the crotch area because there's nothing worse than smelling like smegma or fish around a lady. And of course, you must also spray the back of your pants too because when you fart, it'll make your fart smell nice and no one will know you farted. So always make sure you spray the back of your pants. Now, of course, you're going to be wondering, where else could you possibly spray it? Well, in your shoes, of course, and on the bottom of your feet. Because when you go to someone's house, the last thing you want to do is have smelly feet. So make sure you spray inside the shoes, and then when you take off your shoes and walk around, you're not going to be smelling like stinky feet, okay? And that, my friends, is how to apply a fragrance the Jeremy Fragrance way. Good day, guys. Peace.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.